Hello 11th class students. So this is your subject reasoning. Your topic is number series. So here in this question you have to find the missing value by making the series. So here in question number 1, the answer of question number 1 is E part, that is 4, 5, 6. Now question number, this is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. So this is the question number 2. Again you have to find the value of this missing term. So here the correct answer is C part, that is 215. Now in question number 3, the correct answer is D part, that is 131. Now in question number 4, the correct answer is A, that is 169. Now in question number 5, the correct answer is B part, that is 53. So you have to match your answers and just check that how many questions are correct and how many questions are wrong. Okay. So thank you and have a good day.